Okay, example 3. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y equals 2x squared minus 3x plus 4 at the point 2, 6. Any question about normals or tangents, the first thing to do is to differentiate, to find the gradient of the curve. So the first thing I'm going to do is find dy dx. I'm going to differentiate this to get the gradient. Remember, the power comes down and is multiplied, so here 2 times 2 is 4, and then I'll knock one off that power. So I'll get 4x for the first part. Then when I differentiate this bit, minus 3x, because it's a number in front of the x, I just get the number, which is a minus 3. And if I differentiate just a number, that bit disappears. So that is my gradient function, 4x minus 3. And at the point I'm interested in, the point 2, 6, well, that 2 is my x number, that 6 is my y number. So I know I'm interested when x is 2. And when x is 2, dy dx will be 4 lots of 2, which is 8, take away 3, which is 5. So that is my gradient. So in this example, I've got the gradient of the curve at the point 2, 6 is 5. That means the gradient of the tangent at that point is also 5, because they are equal to each other. Now the question is asking me about the normal, so the gradient of the normal will be minus 1 over 5, or minus 1/5. And now I've got to find the equation of the normal. Well, the equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c, and m is the gradient. So I can replace that m with the minus 1/5 to get that. And I know in this question I'm interested in the point 2, 6. We've said that already. When the 2 is an x number, the 6 is a y number. And if I substitute those values in, I get y equals minus 1/5 times by x plus c. So I get 6 is, times that together, minus 2/5 plus c. Well, I want to find out what c is. Well, I'll leave the c where it is. I'll leave that 6 where it is. I'll shift this negative 2/5 to the other side where it becomes a plus 2/5. And 6 plus 2/5 is 6 2/5. So that's what my c is. So going from my y equals mx plus c line, I already knew that m was minus 1/5, and I now know that c is 6 2/5. So there's my equation of my normal. Now, sometimes on an exam paper particularly, where it may even give you the answer and say show it equals something, they will want you to get rid of the fractions. So the first thing you could do here is just times each bit of this by 5. Y times by 5, minus 1/5 x times by 5. Now this fraction over here, 6 2/5, if you make that a top-heavy fraction, there are 30/5 in that whole 6, because there's 5/5 in each one. There's 30 there, there's another 2 there. That whole fraction is the same as 32/5. So if I times that by 5, I will get 32. And just to tidy it up and make it look a bit nicer, I can move that negative x to the other side, where it becomes a positive x. So I could write my answer down like that. Any of those 3 lines on the board are correct though as your answer. So that's what you're looking for to get an answer for example 3, which is finding the equation of a normal.